Hi riders! If you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycle news, action and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club.
Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Reasons why we ride. What's here? So make sure to watch the full video. Motorcyclists pick up riding for different reasons, and we have identified 14 such reasons which definitely would relate to your reason to ride. Do you connect with these? 1. Passion. Anything that gets your blood racing is probably worth doing. For many bikers, riding a motorcycle is not a hobby or need, it's passion. All they want in life is to travel to every corner of the world on their motorcycle. There is a deep fire in their belly for riding which will make them achieve impossible miles, paths and terrains. Bikers will not mind devoting a good amount of time and income for their motorcycles. In the hierarchy of needs, for them it's motorcycling that stays on the top. 2. Freedom. Riding a motorcycle gives you a sense of freedom. You are in total control of the moment. You are not just riding, you are flying, and there are no set limits to stop you. You can travel to any place with complete freedom. It lets you be you without anyone's permission. Just like a kid who was always restricted to his space, but as soon as he gets on his bicycle, it's the moment of freedom. He now breaks those chains and flies through the street on his bicycle with the widest smile on his face. 3. Speed. For most of the riders, it's speed and thrill that keeps them on their motorcycles. Motorcycles are legal drugs that make you high and take you into a transcendent state of nirvana. The high of power and the acceleration they get at the flick of their wrist is something that they look for and can't keep themselves away from. The thrill of clocking high speeds on their auto after hitting the rev limiter beyond its limit on each shift is something they are addicted to, which gives the best adrenaline rush a motorcyclist can ever ask for. 4. Friendship. Motorcycling is one thing that keeps friends together, and it will till the end of times. Everybody taking out time from their schedule and then going out for a ride is something that you will see only in the motorcycling community. The bond of friendship grows deeper when it is associated to a motorcycle. Be it a breakfast ride, a night ride, or a long road trip, they are always up for it. 5. Brotherhood. You will meet some of the nicest people on your rides. When you ride a motorcycle, you always wave to each other, even when you don't know each other, which is not something car drivers do. No matter which motorcycle you are riding, nor does it matter from which part of the country you belong, there is always the bond of brotherhood that gets motorcyclists together. They are always there to help each other at any point of time. 6. Stressbuster. Have you ever seen a motorcycle parked outside a psychiatrist's clinic? We are pretty sure the answer you will have is no. Because riding a motorcycle takes away all the tension and stress, like you have rebooted your system. Riding a motorcycle brings a sense of calm and ease to your mind and body, which could be achieved otherwise only through meditation. 7. Wheels of God. Open your map, choose a destination, pack your bags, and there you go. No matter what destination you choose, motorcycles are ready to take you there. Into the jungle, over the mountains, are ready to take you there. Into the jungle, over the mountains, between the woods, across the river, or beneath the caves. Motorcyclists love the solitude and freshness these places give to them. 8. Improves mental health. As already stated, it's a true fact that you never see a motorcycle parked outside a psychiatrist's clinic. A rider's brain is stimulated and becomes more active while riding a motorcycle. Riding on your motorcycle daily definitely has positive effects on mental and emotional health. It helps you with stress reduction, it helps you get out of depression and to flush out all your worries. 9. Improves physical health. There is no age bar to ride your motorcycle. We have seen motorcyclists who say, 82 years old, ride every day depending on the weather. Only medication, 1 baby aspirin a day. No health issues, and they still aspire to ride for another 100 years, which surely is a source of inspiration to us. People suffering from different physical injuries forget their pain when they are riding. All of the activities involved in steering a bike, moving it at slow speeds, etc., serve to strengthen muscles in the abdomen and also helps you with healthier, stronger knees and thighs. 10. Easy peasy. Environmentalists choose bicycles over motorcycles and motorcycles over cars. They do believe that the motorcycles cause lesser harm to the environment in terms of pollution and traffic. Over these are the bikers who didn't choose motorcycle, but motorcycle chose them, meaning motorcycle is their last resort for transportation. With the city's hustle and bustle, opting for a motorcycle for traveling comes in handy, helping you to cut through any packed traffic with ease, saving time and money. For these riders, going on long ride doesn't amuse much and such thoughts wouldn't cross their mind. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go.